Here at Audubon Species Survival Center, we have our whooping crane breeding program, and what we focus on is raising chicks. Today's a special day because today we get to bring out 4 whooping crane chicks that we're releasing to the wild.
We are at the White Lake Wetlands Conservation Area, which is in Vermilion Parish. It is historically the location where whooping cranes were last located prior to them being extinct from the state. So it's where we know they used to live and breed, and so now we're bringing them back to that same area. Each bird gets a type of transmitter and band so that we can identify the individuals, and the transmitters allow us to track the birds. And knowing all of that is important because this is still an experiment, it is still a reintroduction project, and so we're still learning.
Whooping cranes are an endangered species, and here in Louisiana there are only about 75 birds in the wild. We want to help bring the numbers up so that we can bring these birds off the endangered species list.
So it's particularly exciting to get this group of birds this year because, unfortunately, because of the pandemic last year, there were no birds that were released. And so we're excited to release 4 more birds to the Louisiana population this year. So if somebody sees whooping cranes either on their property or just in an area that they're passing through, we do always want to hear about them. We have a form on the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries website where you can send us that information about when and where you saw those birds.
Whooping cranes are threatened mainly by man. They're faced with ever-shrinking habitat loss. You can help out by, help preserve our wetlands areas, giving these guys a home where they can actually utilize.
It's sort of a new beginning. I mean, these are young birds, but they're fully grown, and over the coming weeks, months, and hopefully years, we'll be able to sort of track their progress in their life.
None of this would be possible without the support of Chevron, Hancock Whitney, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and other generous supporters. Audubon is committed to the long-term growth and stability of the whooping crane population to save this species from extinction.